Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Mr. Hollis is over here cleaning up the garden and getting rid of things. Good to see you all again. It's been a while. I've just been creating shorts. Been busy. You know how life gets. I just wanted to come on to show you guys that we are cleaning out the garden today so we can transplant our brassicas and beans. And we also have been getting eggs from our hens. Yay! I'm super excited about that. I want to show you guys the garden, the work that has to be done. Hi. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am, if you don't mind. Oh yeah, we'll show you guys some of the things that have to be done in the garden. Fix this a little bit so you can see more of it. But our pumpkin, yeah, our pumpkin's ready. Yeah, that's how big it got. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's how big the pumpkin got.
Yeah, all dirty.
It is, but that's fine. Nice and ready. So we're gonna move all this, the pumpkin vine out of the way. And then we were leaving some of this because we're still getting that hot weather. These are the bell peppers. Still have some growing on. And only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 3 or 4 tomato plants here we're going to leave. And the walking stick kale and collards. So we're actually going to leave some of that stuff so we can see what else we can get from it, right? Oh, well, mainly what we're doing is cleaning, and we're going to pick up all the stuff that will no longer produce and that is no longer producing and get everything else going. We have our garlic here from Baker's Creek, but it's not time for that yet. It is hot. Okay, it's hot. Now, well, we're 5B, right? So 5B, it may be hot now, but as soon October, like let's see, last year October 5th or something like that, it got really cold. So we'll see what we're able to grow. This will be our first year growing in the fall. So we'll actually take you guys on a journey with us to show you if we're even able to grow anything out here in the 5B area for fall. Because as you saw before, spring was bad. We didn't get, what was it? We changed our last frost date to May 15th. So they only gave us like 3-4 months of growing, but it did produce. You know, the summer months we were able to produce, but we didn't get that watermelon that I wanted. But that's fine. We'll try again next year. I'm not going to give up on it. We'll keep trying each year to see what we can get. But this year, we're going to see what we can get in the fall. So we'll take you guys on that journey. It is. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's a lot of cleanup. We had already started and took down the sunflowers. Those things were nice and thick. Let me see, do I have a stalk? Let me see. I think I do. Oh, I'm gonna take that yet. Watch the Thank you. These were nice and thick. I'm like, I could use these.
Why did you use that?
Use this for many things. So I'll say that. So yeah, this is the sunflower stalk. We're still getting cucumbers, of course.
Oh, not in the hole again.
We'll get out the hole.
Where does hole come from?
All the digging, I'm sure.
Oh,
But we the plan after the cleanup, because look at this. Look at how many weeds and the grass. That's my basil. I'm letting some of that go to seed so I can get some of those seeds. But look at the grass and weeds all over. You know. So what I plan on doing is having Mr. Hollis mow the lawn, mow the area, and after we get the weed whacker and get the things that we're not using anymore out of the way, we're gonna put down landscape fabric over the whole area. I was gonna do it for next season, but I'm like, why not do it in the fall to prepare? You know, that would already be down there. That's a spoon tomato.
spoon tomato. I want to
Yeah.
eat it.
Okay, let me show the people. These are one of the spoon tomatoes. We were able to harvest a lot of these, and these are so strong. I think I told you guys that before. They're strong, but they're good. They just have that really strong tomato flavor. They pack a punch. And then, well, we'll tell you guys the plan for next season when next season gets here. But for fall, we're going to clean everything up, get all the volunteer plants out of the way, get all the weeds out of the way today, and probably put the landscaping fabric down tomorrow because it's a lot of cleanup. And I really want to make sure I get everything out of the way so I can actually lay it flat and get my transplants out. So yeah, the only thing that'll be staying is the kale, uh, walking stick kale, and dinosaur kale. Because if you could see, I'm gonna turn this way. Hey, as you can see, the dinosaur kale, like I said before, is still
Dinosaur
thriving,
kale?
and it is said that dinosaur kale can last through the winter, but we'll see. I don't know about our winter because we get very cold. That's why we're going to try to see what will actually survive and what we can grow. Because we may not be able to grow anything only in the summer months, but we'll see. We're not going to just leave it at that. We're going to see if we can and bring you guys along with us to show you that you can grow things in more than just the summer months. But we'll see. We shall see. So yeah, that's all we're going to do today. Clean this up. And then I'll take you guys on that journey tomorrow with the landscaping fabric. And we'll go from there with the transplants. So thanks again for stopping by the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings. Oh yeah, I have a surprise coming up. Should I tell him now or later? No? Okay. No surprise. Ah, have a great day.